Aviation This Week is brought to you by Leonardo Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story: Leonardo TH-119 receives IFR certification. Then PAL Aerospace is awarded a maintenance contract from the RCAF. And construction begins on REM station at Trudeau International. Leonardo's TH-119 helicopter received Instrument Flight Rules Supplement Type Certification from the FAA. Leonardo describes the TH-119 as the only single-engine helicopter in decades to meet current IFR requirements, allowing pilots to operate safely in low visibility and challenging weather conditions. The TH-119 is a key competitor in Canada's new Future Aircrew Training Program, better known as FACT, for the RCAF, under the country's 20-year Strong, Secure, Engaged Defence Investment Plan. In December 2018, Canada established a list of qualified suppliers for FACT, including Airbus, Babcock, Leonardo, Lockheed Martin, and Skyline. BAE Systems was on the initial list, but withdrew from contention in April 2019. The Canadian government expects to release its FACT RFP later this year or in early 2020. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney PT6B engine and modeled after the AW119, the TH-119 is also part of Leonardo's bid to replace the U.S. Navy's fleet of aging TH-57 training helicopters, a contract that would amount to some 130 aircraft. PAL Aerospace has been awarded a contract to provide heavy maintenance services for the RCAF's CT-142 fleet. The contract covers an initial 4-year period with an extension that could increase its length to 7 years. Designed and produced in Canada, the CT-142 is a conversion of the twin turboprop Dash 8 airliner, modified to include a suite of onboard training computers and a large radar system. Flown by 402 Squadron, the CT-142 trains air combat system operators and airborne electronic sensor operators from the RCAF and other air forces from around the world. PAL Aerospace will perform the maintenance services under this contract at facilities in St. John's, Newfoundland and Winnipeg, Manitoba. The company explains the awarding of this contract furthers its goal of developing its ISS capabilities across the country. ADM Airports of Montreal in mid-July broke ground for its future REM station at Montreal Trudeau International Airport, YUL. It will transport users from downtown to the airport in around 20 minutes. The first REM Metro car is expected to enter the station in 2023 when construction is complete. The project is part of a larger city-side development program which includes rebuilding the airport's multi-level parking complex and its drop-off pickup zones, the later of which is to have its capacity tripled. Excavation to build the station will be at a depth of 35 meters under the multi-level parking complex. A new space YUL Transit will also be built underground to merge different modes of public transportation. Philippe Ranville, President and CEO of Airports Montreal, explains the group has been waiting for an efficient rail link to downtown for more than 25 years. Thanks again to our sponsor, Leonardo Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Register today for Careers in Aviation 2019, taking place September 21st at WestJet's facility in Mississauga.